BitTorrent, using for data sharing and downloading small and large scale files from HTTP and FTP websites, files, MP3 files and video files, PDF files and gaming files. BitTorrent application, how to download, install, explain. Browser open, Google search box lo BitTorrent download, enter key press. Official link first section lo display bittorrent.com. Download BitTorrent clients for Windows, first link, mouse left click. Official web interface complete display. BitTorrent download for Windows. BitTorrent related two options display. First one, web page related online download option display. Mouse scroll down. Second one, BitTorrent Classic. It is free version, free download button click. Third option, free torrent app section lo download now button click. Thank you for downloading BitTorrent Classic. Download section lo BitTorrent installer.exe setup file downloading process completed. Browser minimize, desktop file explorer document open. Left side third option, downloads, BitTorrent installer.exe setup file display. Mouse right click, first option open click. Open file security warning window lo first button run click. Admin privileges section lo BitTorrent Classic window display. First button yes click. Download folder minimize. Welcome to BitTorrent setup vised window lo next button click. Next button click. License agreement and privacy policy agree button click. Google Chrome browser. If you want this application, accept click. Unnecessary decline click. Unnecessary application decline click. Antivirus freeware unnecessary. Third one decline again click. Choose install options lo 3 options ku default ga tick mark set. Next click. Configuration section lo additional settings and file types 2 options display. First one additional settings lo, second one restart and reopen system, auto runs in BitTorrent and resume downloading process 50% completed. Incompleted files and re-downloading. If you want re-downloading, tick mark set. Manually settings and re-downloading. In case unnecessary, tick mark remove. Present necessary. Resume downloading is important. Tick mark set. Next button click. Downloading your products. Set of files and executable files downloading process start. Wait and hear few minutes. BitTorrent related desktop shortcut installation complete. BitTorrent Classic. Thank you for installing BitTorrent Classic. Next finish click. BitTorrent file system. 2 options display. First one no thanks, second one confirm. First one no thanks button click. BitTorrent latest version 7.11. Complete user interface white color theme display. Close. Left side third option torrents downloads files 0 display. In middle section window lo any file, audio file, video file and gaming files downloading. First option plus icon display, add torrent icon display. Second one add torrent from URL. Files nu are related links సెర్చ్ చేయాలంటే సెకండ్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్. థర్డ్ వన్ పర్సనల్గా క్రియేట్ చేసినటువంటి న్యూ టోరెంట్ ఫైల్స్ థర్డ్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్. సెట్టింగ్స్ ఐకాన్ డిస్ప్లే క్లిక్. ప్రిఫరెన్సెస్ విండోలో ఇంటర్ఫేస్ సెట్టింగ్స్ అనేది మనం కన్వీనియంట్ సెట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఆప్షన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ క్లోజ్.